Hello children, welcome to your next English session. In this session, we are going to read chapter 5, Anya Runs Away. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Anya Runs Away. Come on, take out your Discovering English book, page number 65. First, we'll be reading the new words given on page number 65. The name of the chapter is Anya Runs Away. Okay children, 4 new words are given. Stale. What is the meaning of stale? Basi. Okay, which is not fresh. Hotel. You know the meaning of hotel. Pavement. Meaning of pavement is footpath. Packet. Packet means a container. It can be a wooden container or a paper container. Okay. Now turn the page. First we will read these points. Did you know? Okay. So appreciation means saying something good about another person. What is the meaning of appreciation? Appreciation means saying something good about another person. किसी और के बारे में अच्छा बोलना. Yes, like if you write beautifully and you do your work properly and neatly, ma'am appreciates your work. Ma'am तारीफ करती है ना आपके काम की. Yes, that is appreciation. Appreciation should always be genuine. Okay, appreciation should always be genuine. Genuine means सही होना चाहिए. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी का हमें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा और हम जानबूझ के या झूठ माट में हम उसको अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. नो, इट शुड बी जेन्युइन. इफ यू रियली लाइक समथिंग, डोंट हेजिटेट टू से इट. ओके, एंड इफ यू लाइक समथिंग, डोंट हेजिटेट टू अप्रिशिएट इट. ओके, नाउ लेट अस रीड अ स्टोरी. Okay, I am reading and you have to put finger and you have to read along with me. Anya was a very naughty girl. She never listened to anyone. She was rude to her teachers. She did not get along with her friends. She was even rude to her parents. In a story, there is a girl named Anya. What is the name of the girl? Anya, and she was very naughty girl, like you all. You all are very naughty ना? She never listened to anyone. वो कभी भी किसी की बात नहीं सुनती थी. She was rude to her teachers and to her parents also. Yes, and she did not get along with her friends. और उसको अपने friends के साथ भी खेलना पसंद नहीं था. Anya had everything. She had kind parents, a nice house, her own room and lots of toys. Anya had everything. Anya के पास सब कुछ था, but still she was not happy. She had kind parents, a nice house, her own room she was having in her house with lots of toys. She went to a good school and her teachers were kind. She had everything a little girl could ask for. उसके पास वो सब कुछ था. She was having everything which a little girl could ask for. जो एक छोटे बच्चे को चाहिए होता है. Anya was having all those things with her. But Anya did not appreciate anything. She felt that her parents and teachers were always telling her what to do. But Anya didn't appreciate it anything which she was having. Okay, वो कभी भी खुश नहीं होती थी and she never appreciated that I am having so loving parents, kind parents, good friends, good school I am going to study. She never appreciated all these things and she felt that her parents used to tell her always that what to do. Okay, like her parents used to instruct you ना that बेटा ऐसा मत करो, do like this, don't do like this, this is good for you, this is not good for you. Yes, parents tell for our benefit. Okay, so we should listen to our parents. But Anya feels that her parents used to tell her again and again like what to do. Even her friends did what their parents told them to do. They wanted to be home on time. They wanted to study. They wanted to listen to the teachers. She did not like such people. Okay? आन्या को हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि मम्मा पापा बस मुझे बोलते ही रहते हैं कि कभी ये करो, कभी ऐसा मत करो. And her friends used to study. They want to go to school. They want to listen to the teachers. But Anya did not like them all. Her mother used to tell her, before you sleep, thank God for what you have. What her mother used to tell? That before you go to bed at night, you thank God. Okay? Do you all thank God at night? Yes, for what we have. But Anya never did that. But Anya never listened to her mother, and she never thanked God for what she was having. Okay? You should always pray to God and thank God that you all are having loving parents, a good house to live. Yes? In a good school you all are studying, a good friends you are having in your society, in your neighborhood, in school also. One day Anya got angry with her mother because she told Anya to tidy her room. One day Anya got angry. And why she got angry? Because her mama told her to tidy her room. Mama ने बस इतना बोला कि बेटा you just clean your room. Yes, and she got angry. There was nothing to get angry. Okay, room बिखरा हुआ पड़ा रहेगा. It looks nice. No, your room should always look tidy and neat and clean. Yes. So her mama told one day, Anya, clean your room. So she becomes angry. I don't need to be told what to do, she told her mother. And then when her mother told her to clean the room, then what Anya replied in back? That I don't need to be told what to do. कि आप मुझे मत बताओ कि मुझे क्या करना है. Yes, this is the way to reply to the parents? No, not at all. Okay? Anya was very angry. She decided to run away. She waited till her mother was busy and went out. Okay, Anya was very angry, and what she decided? She decided to run away from home. Is this a right thing? No. Yes. Let us see what happens with Anya then. She waited कि mama कब busy हो, and she went out of a house. She saw Ramu Kaka, the rickshaw wala. She asked him to take her to the town. Okay, when she went out of the house, she saw the rickshaw wala Ramu uncle, and she asked him she asked him to take her to the town. What she asked to the Ramu uncle rickshaw wala, Ramu Kaka rickshaw wala, she asked her to take her to the town. Okay, to the city. When they reached the town, she started walking. After a while, she saw some street children, and when she reached the town, she came down from the rickshaw and she started walking. After a while, after some time, what she saw? She saw some street children. Okay, they were playing with a ball. The street children, जो गली के बच्चे थे, what they were doing? They were playing with a ball. She thought they looked so happy. No one was telling them what to do. Okay, then after seeing the street children, what she was thinking in her mind? She was thinking that how happy these children are. There is nobody to instruct them or to tell them what to do. Okay, वो ऐसा सोच रही थी. She was thinking in her mind कि इनको तो कोई कुछ कहने वाला ही नहीं है, कोई कुछ बोलने वाला नहीं है कि इनको क्या करना है. And so happily they are playing. She played with them for a long time. It began to get dark. She was hungry, thirsty, and very tired. Okay, she also played with the street children for a long time, and when it began to dark, जब अंधेरा होने लगा, so she was feeling hungry and she was very tired also. Yes, now turn the page. Can I stay with you? She asked Chameli. Okay, one of the girl of street, like street children were there, no? One of the girl was there and her name was Chameli. So Anya asked Chameli that, can I stay with you? She asked Chameli, a girl of her age. The girl said that she could. Chameli opened a packet. It had some stale rotis. Okay, when Anya asked her, Chameli, that can I stay with you? Chameli said, yes, you can stay with me. Then she opened a packet. You can see in a pic, she opened a packet and that packet was having stale rotis. Usme kya thi? Basi rotis thi. Yes. Have some, she told Anya. I'm not hungry, Anya said. Then she offered those stale rotis to Anya also, but Anya said that I am not hungry, okay? Because Anya was not in a habit of eating stale rotis, okay? At her home, she used to eat hot food. Chameli drank some water from a tap. Then she put a sheet on the pavement. Let's sleep, okay? Then after eating and drinking a water from the tap on the street, she spread a sheet on the pavement on a footpath, and what Chameli told to Anya, come, let's sleep. Okay. Don't you have parents? A home? Anya asked. Anya was shocked that why she is sleeping on the pavement. Then she asked Chameli that, don't you have parents? Don't you have a home? Chameli laughed. I have no one. This is my home. I beg at the street light. The hotel over there give me leftover food. Then when Anya asked Chameli that don't you have parents or a home, then what Chameli replied? Chameli laughed and she said that I have nobody, I have no one. This footpath is only my home. I sleep here only. Yes. And I beg at the street light. She used to beg. Beg means bhik mangna at the street light. Okay. And there was a hotel near that pavement. And Chameli said to Anya that the hotel over there gives me the leftover food. Yes, which I used to eat. Anya saw many other children also sleeping on the pavement. She was very afraid. The ground was hard. She tried to sleep. She was cold and hungry. But now what Anya can do? She can't return her home. Yes. So she was very afraid. She tried to sleep on the pavement, but the ground was very hard. Yes, she was remembering of her soft bed which was at her home. And she was cold and hungry also. She wished she had not run away. She wanted hot food. She wanted her nice warm bed. She wanted to see her mother's kind face. She wanted to hear her kind voice. Now when Anya was sleeping, trying to sleep on the pavement, what she was remembering? She was remembering of her house. Usko apne ghar ki yaad aa rahi thi, and she wanted that hot food and a warm bed, and she wanted to see her mother's kind face and her mother's voice. She wanted to listen. Okay. Anya, Anya, her mother's voice called. I am dreaming, Anya thought. Suddenly she heard a voice, somebody is calling, Anya, Anya. Her mother was calling. Anya thought that I am dreaming. Okay. More voices shouted her name. Anya opened her eyes and saw her mother and Ramu Kaka calling out her name. She jumped up and ran to her mother. Her mother hugged her tightly while Anya cried. Okay, फिर Anya की मम्मा भी उसको ढूंढते ढूंढते she came to the town, and Anya when she opened her eyes, she saw her mother in front and that Ramu Kaka, the rickshaw wala, and they were searching Anya, na? So Anya was very happy to see her mother. Okay, her mother hugged her tightly and Anya was crying. We were so worried, Anya, her mother said. I'm sorry, mother, Anya cried. Now I appreciate what you do for me. Yes, mama, do very much work for you people, okay? She cooks food for you, she cleans your clothes, she irons your clothes. आपको पढ़ाती हैं, yes, she makes you study, and many more works are there for mama. So you should always appreciate what your mama does for you, okay? I appreciate what you do for me. I appreciate what I have. From that day onwards, Anya changed. She became a sweet, loving girl. She listened to her parents and teachers. She began to appreciate what she had. Okay, from that day onwards, Anya changed to a sweet, loving girl. Okay, from a naughty and angry girl, she changed to a sweet, loving girl, and she used to appreciate now what she had. Understood the story? So, you have to give a reading to this story twice. Okay, and you have to do these dictation words in your notebook. Okay, on this side you will be writing date. Chapter 5, Anya runs away. Dictation words. 12 dictation words are there. Hotel, stale, pavement, packet, naughty, appreciate, angry, thirsty, rude, hungry, leftover, and street. These words you will be doing in your English text copy, okay? Yes, in a beautiful, neat handwriting with proper red margins. Okay, children? Now we will be meeting in the next video. Till then, you all take care of yourself. Bye-bye.